Apakabarl Alipers, how you all doing? Uncle Dave here, all the way from Canada. They call me Cowboy Dave only because I wear a cowboy hat. I'm not really a cowboy because I don't have a horse. If I was a cowboy, I think I'd have a horse. Anyhow, having a fantastic weekend. Why, I've been doing some reaction videos to Alief fingerstyle. If you're new, first time, go to Alief fingerstyle channel, subscribe to him. Leave comments, meet Alipers, become part of the Aliper community. That's us here on my shirt and hanging up there on the wall. And once you become an Aliper, get used to a coffee, man, a coffee. Because Uncle Dave likes his coffee heat cam. Oh, it's so good. Since I discovered this is what coffee's all about. I love this coffee. So good. Mantap, we say. Anyhow, doing reaction to Alief fingerstyle for all us Alipers. Peace and love to all Alipers out there. This one's called Kiss the Rain. It's a Yiruma cover by Alief fingerstyle. So without any ado, I'm going to say this right off the bat. If you're a true Aliper, and I call it Aliper love, there's something about when Alief plays that immediately it's like taking a big exhale of air and peacefulness just swims over your body. That's what I call the Aliper love. My favorite guitarist by far. Here we go. Need I say anything about that? That's just like incredibly the harmonics. He's a harmonic master, that's for sure. Looks like he's grabbed his Dynamo in his hand here now. That sounds so beautiful. Sorry, that's harmonics. What he's doing there, bing, bong, you hear it sounds like chimes. It's harmonics. Also, it sounds like, if you ever hear one of those old style of like a musical box, and you ever look in it and see that it's made of steel, and it goes by the little steel things that makes a noise as it goes by it, ting, tong, ting, with that real ringing noise to it. That's how he makes his guitar sound. Court needs to still wake up and send Alief some thank you notes for using his guitar and making it sound so beautiful. Anyhow, back to the song. Here we go. Some heat damn coffee. Alipers, this is truly, I cannot explain this, and I'm not making this up. Coffee tastes better when you're listening to Alief play guitar. Listening to Alief play guitar is better while you're drinking coffee. I'm just calling it like I see it. we see a bit more of his dynamo here, the way it is. I can see it now. It's like a spinning toy, spinning part, like to a motor, right? You can tell Alief's playing with his eyes closed, playing with this feeling again. I gotta wonder, is it my birthday or something? That's like two fantastic videos I got to do reactions to this weekend. It's not my birthday. The end of this month it is my birthday. It's not my birthday now, but sure feels like it with all these gifts Alief's bringing us. Terima kasih, Alief Gustakia. Thank you very much, Alief. Peace and love all Alipers out there. Bye.